How to send big videos on Discord without Nitro. Well, that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please let me know in the comments and let's get started right away. So if you're getting this problem right over here, as you can see, your files are too powerful. The max file size is 25 megabytes. Upgrade to Discord Nitro to upload files up to 500 megabytes. So you obviously click on this video because you do not want to upgrade to Discord Nitro. So how can we actually fix this and then in fact still upload videos that are over 25 megabytes? Well, you want to go to Google and then right over here to this website called Streamable. Now this website is really nice because you can simply upload any video without having an account or whatever, and simply just drag and drop it just like here, and now it will start uploading. Now it is saying you are using Streamable as a guest. Videos expire after 2 days. Sign up for free to host your videos longer. So if you do not want to create an account, your videos will be here for 2 days. If you do create an account, I think they'll be here for a couple weeks or months, or maybe even always. Not completely sure, but this is pretty much your video. You can here change the name as well if you would still like to. And here we can embed, edit, or simply copy the link, which I'm going to do. I'm going to go back into Discord and I'm going to simply paste in the link. Now I hit enter. And there we go. We can now see the video right over here. And the cool thing is that we can actually watch it inside of Discord. As you can see, oh, whoops, let me turn it down. But here you can pretty much see that I'm playing the video inside of Discord. So it's kind of like you actually sent the video via Discord. That's the cool thing about it. You don't even have to click on the link and open it up in here. I mean, you can do that as well. But the cool thing is that you can simply just watch it inside of Discord. Yeah, that is pretty much how to send big videos on Discord without Nitro.